Well, developers in Chennai haven't been having a very good time. In fact, developers in South have to contend with another headache, that of rising cement prices. CREDAI Chennai, in fact, has announced stoppage of construction work in the entire state of Tamil Nadu, demanding a rollback of the recent 25% hike in cement prices by what they call a cement cartel. Jude Sanith brings you the details.
Chennai's construction sites aren't exactly abuzz with activity. On Monday, the city's builders stopped buying cement. Exactly a week from now, they plan on bringing construction to a halt. This until the recent cement price hike is reversed. In late May, it was announced that cement manufacturers planned on hiking prices by over 25% starting June 1st. That meant a 50 kg bag of cement, which was Rs 255 a month ago, would now cost 325 rupees. Developers believe that this increase of Rs 70 per bag will add to cost of construction by as much as Rs 60 per square foot.
The pure construction cost of the building and the basements which are there, that the impact is about 45 rupees. If you ask me to hazard a guess, overall impact of cement increase of the 60 rupees increase, I will say something like about 60 rupees would be the per square feet increase in price.
Just last week, CREDAI Tamil Nadu announced a halt to ongoing construction work across the state until this hike was reversed. The body also said that construction would stop in Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra and Telangana. Incidentally, this isn't the first time cement prices have struck a note of discord between manufacturers and builders. The Property Show reported late last year how a sustained spike in prices had developers crying foul.
Simply, it's the cartelization by the cement manufacturers. The CMA is responsible for jacking up the price by suppressing the production, thereby increasing the demand and causing this stuff. It's artificially high.
That claim has today found renewed support from CREDAI's national body. Speaking exclusively to NDTV, CREDAI President Shekhar Reddy, who also represents CREDAI Telangana, said, and I quote, "Starting July, CREDAI Telangana and CREDAI Andhra Pradesh have also resolved to stop purchase of cement in these states. Our cement manufacturing capacity hasn't met its optimum output and demand hasn't peaked. This price hike is a result of artificial scarcity that has been created by the cement lobby, which we at CREDAI are completely against." Unquote. But CREDAI chapters like Bangalore are willing to negotiate with cement companies.
We are trying with Cement Manufacturers Association along with the Builders Association also. And we are trying to tell them, see, because of the increase in cement price, the industry will suffer. Because of that, another 220 industries will suffer. The building industry doesn't depend not only on cement, even other industries also are there. They will also lose their business.
The impact of the cement price hike could stretch beyond the realms of the housing market. It could mean loss of jobs to migrant construction workers. It could also mean execution delays in residential, commercial and infrastructure projects. And that's something developers here can do without. With Lakshmi Shivdas in Bangalore, this is Jude Sanith in Chennai for NDTV.